My name is Tessa Irvine, and I'm a senior. Today we're doing senior superlatives, and we're asking people in the senior class, who is the class clown, who is the worst car, and who is the best style. Let's get into it. And I'm here with
Sienna Crooks.
and we're going to be asking, who is the class clown.
I would say Cooper Holland.
I'm here with,
Gabriel.
and who is the class clown.
Aiden Kroll.
I'm here with,
Aaron Gale.
and who is the class clown.
Evie.
Blake Gerstong.
Who has the worst car.
I would definitely say Logan Fermanagh.
I'm here with,
Olivia Novak.
who has the worst car.
Logan Ferman.
I'm here with,
Tyler.
Kristen.
who has the best style.
I would say Aiden.
I would say Aiden too.
I'm here with,
Logan. Hunter.
who has the best style in the grade.
Probably Ben Gerstong.
Ben Gerstong.
I'm here with,
Mira.
who has the best style.
I think Sienna Crooks has the best style.
Good choice.